Time for a scene change. And it couldn't come at a better time for the San Antonio Spurs after LeBron James and company put on a show in the late stages of the third quarter and fourth quarter in game number 2. They held Tony Parker to just 13 points. He had 5 turnovers in the Game 2 loss. So it's tied up at 1 heading into Game 3 in San Antonio. Tim Duncan, late arrival due to heavy traffic in San Antonio, but he was on fire early on. Had a whole lot of touches and looks at the bucket. He scored 6 in the first quarter. Dwayne Wade getting it going here. That brought the road team within 3. Manu Ginobili really struggling from the field during the postseason and into the finals, but he did hit his first 2 shots of the game, including that high percentage dunk. Look at Ginobili, the pump fake, and then taking the elevator to the rim. 17-12, early lead for San Antonio. LeBron James not shooting well, but that was one of his 3 first quarter assists. Chris Anderson, he got the slam. Miami down by 4 after 1. Second quarter, LeBron James no good. He was just 2 of 8, 4 points in the first half. Kawhi Leonard on the other end, part of a 13-4 Spurs run. They're up by 10. James to Mike Miller, and he just can't miss in the finals. 5 of 5 from downtown in Game 3. Caps a 10-0 Miami run. Got him within 1. LeBron James blocked by Danny Green. Spurs off and running. The clock winding down. Gary Neal, you betcha. Neal, the star in the first half, scoring 14 on 5 of 10 shooting. Spurs led it 50-44 at the break. Duncan, 12 points, 14 rebounds, 54-46. Manu Ginobili, no good on the try. Ball tipped to Kawhi Leonard, who gets it to Danny Green. And Green, with LeBron James right there, buries the 3. Danny Green, 2 of 5 in the first half, 8 points in the third quarter, and continuing to surge. Here's Manu Ginobili. Ginobili getting it going. Now, during the timeout, Tony Parker heads back to the locker room with a right hamstring injury. Could that be a factor? LeBron James, matter for him because he just couldn't find the bottom of the cup. 7 of 21 from the field, 15 points, no free throw attempts for the MVP. Miami had 16 turnovers. This one results in a Corey Joseph three-point play. 75-54. Joseph would miss the free throw. Tony Parker getting his hamstring worked on. He would re-enter the game. 28 minutes for Parker, just 6 points, but just had 8 assists. And the story in the second half, all about the three-point barrage they couldn't miss. Gary Neal finished with 24 points, 6 of 10 from downtown. Neal and Danny Green combined to score 51 points. Everything going San Antonio's way. Even Thiago Splitter getting blocked results in a Danny Green triple. He was 7 of 9 from downtown, 27 points for Danny Green, as San Antonio sets an NBA Finals record, hitting 16 three-pointers. It was 16 of 32, 36-point win, 3rd largest margin of victory in NBA Finals history. Spurs have a 2-1 advantage. Game 4 back in San Antonio on Thursday.